Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a basic web page using HTML and CSS. And this we are going to create in the platform called CodePen. So for opening CodePen, you just need to type in the Google as CodePen and then you will get the link and you just need to make your account and start creating. Over here, I have created a basic web page known as Sun, Earth and Moon. So, this is my HTML part. This is my HTML part and this is my CSS part. In the HTML part, I have opened the HTML tag, head, title. In the title, I have written as Sun, Earth and Moon website. Then I have closed the head. I have opened the body and H1 tag Sun, Earth and Moon. So I'll do one thing. First let me tell you the basic things of HTML. The basic things of HTML is this. First, whatever app, whatever game or any website you're making using the HTML, so in the HTML you always need to add first HTML. So you need to code this. In this package, you need to type over there HTML and again this one. So basically, this tag is known as opening bracket and this is known as closing bracket. Inside that you can write anything. HTML head, title, body, H1, H6, anything. So here HTML, opening of HTML, opening of head, then opening of title and writing the title and again closing the title and closing the head and then opening the body and whatever you want to code in the body you can code and then you have to close the body and you have to close the HTML. So this is the basic part of HTML. So here I have written HTML head title. In the title I have written as Sun, Earth and Moon website. And then I have closed the title and I have closed the head and I have opened the body. In the body I have written as H1, Sun, Earth and Moon and I have closed the H1 tag. So now what is H1? There are the type H1 to H6. So H1 is the most bigger. So if we write something in the H1 tag, so it has the font size bigger. So you can see over here, this is so bigger because I have written it in the H1 tag. Now you can see this facts about Sun and Earth and Moon. So this I have written in the H2 tag. That is why you can see the size difference in both of them. So we can say that H1 is greater from others and H2 is smaller than the H1 but greater than the H3, H4, H5 and H6. So same continues with till H6. So now I have coded here image ID. Image ID. So it is compulsory us to add the image ID because if we don't add the IDs to our images, then the computer will not understand in a better way. So it is better that whenever we are adding an images, we should give it a ID. We should give them a particular ID. So here I have written as image ID as Sun. Source. So now source is nothing but link. So here I have written as source and then I have pasted the link of the image in the inverted commas. So now from where did I get the link? Just type in the Google, suppose moon, then go into the images and just right click and you will get the option as copy image address. Just do that. Your link will be copied and come over here and paste it in the inverted comma. Then close the bracket in this way. And again I have done the same thing for the earth and moon. So moving on to the next, I have added here H2 tag. Means whatever I am adding the text in the H2 will be smaller than the H1. So it will basically be smaller than this sun, earth and moon, but it will be greater than the other things. So here I have added facts about sun, earth and moon. And then in the H3 tag I have written sun. And I have closed the tag and I have opened the P tag. So now what is P tag? P tag is known as paragraph. So for the paragraph in the coding it is known as P tag. So I have opened the P tag and I have written the text. This is the paragraph which I wanted. You can see I have written this. So now from where did I get this? Just type over here, suppose moon, and you will get the moon Wikipedia. And just copy this, Ctrl C, and over here paste it by Ctrl V. And moving on to the next, I have done the same thing for the earth and moon. And then I have closed the body and I have closed the HTML. Moving on to the CSS body. I have opened the body. In the body, why have I written body? Because over here I am designing the body. So body means the whole part. So you can see whichever in the preview it is showing, the background color is black. So you can see the text aligned in center. Everything is in center. So this is because in the CSS I have coded as body. I have opened the curly bracket and I have done is background color black, text align center. Make sure never, instead of putting this, never put the dash, equal to or anything. In the same way you need to write in the CSS. And there should be curly bracket. And the thing you are coding, for the your coding should be the name. But this you can change. Background color black, you can change this. Then I have closed the curly bracket and I have opened the H1. So basically now I will be coding for the H1, which will be the sun, earth and moon. So I set the color to the white, text align to the center, font size to the 45 pixels. And then hashtag sun. I have opened the curly bracket and I have set the width of the sun image to 290 px. Px means pixels. And the same thing I have done for the earth and moon. And moving on to the next, H2, I have set the color to the white, text align as center, font size as 35 pixels. And for the H3, color white, text align center, font size 45 pixels. For the H4, color white, text align center, font size 45 pixels. For the H5, I have set the color white, text align center, font size 45 pixels. And I have closed the curly bracket. So now I will tell you the meaning of HTML and CSS. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, and the full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheets. So this was all about today's video. If you like today's video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.